In this FluencyLink tutorial video, we'll look at evaluating assessments. From the sidebar, click on Assessment, Evaluation. This displays a list of all of your assigned assessments. You can sort assessments by title or by due date by clicking on these arrows. You may also search to filter test results by title. Additionally, you can filter by class or by linked content if you have defined this in your assessment settings. The Evaluate column shows that 2 out of 3 students have submitted answers for this assessment. And the pending column indicates that there are 2 students whose results still need to be evaluated. Click on an assessment to go to the evaluation page. Click Pending Evaluation to show the list of students you can evaluate. Then click Evaluate for a particular student. At the top, you can see their total score for this assessment. You can also see the individual score for each question. Even for automatically graded questions, you may modify this score if you disagree with the results. You may also enter feedback for an individual question here. Open-ended questions, such as descriptive writing questions and audio recordings, will have a score of 0 by default. These require you to enter a score manually. You may also enter general feedback for the overall assessment at the bottom. When finished, you may save the results as a draft, or you can submit, and the scores and feedback will be visible to the student. After coming back to this page, I can see that these 2 students are now listed under completed evaluation. However, if you wish to change anything, you can always go back to evaluate and make changes. Students who have not responded are listed here. These reassign functions are covered in a separate video that will be linked below. This cumulative report can show you some overall data about the class. If you assigned an assessment to multiple classes, you may select the class here and then update the report by clicking View Report. This window can also be enlarged by clicking this button in the top right. The question numbers are in the left column and the student names are in the top row. An X indicates an incorrect answer, a P indicates partial correctness, and a green check indicates complete correctness. This dash indicates no response. This Got It Right column shows the average score for each question. It includes unsubmitted responses in the calculation. The same is true for this average score. If you'd like, you can export this report as an Excel document, which looks like this. Next, we'll look at performance reports, which can be accessed under Assessment, Performance Report. You must select a date range and class or group for which to view reports. The date range can be based on the assigned date or due date. For the date range, you may select from this list of preset options, or you can choose a custom range. Select a from date on the left and a to date on the right. Use the arrows or the drop-down menu to select a particular month and year. When finished, click Apply, then select a class. You may also filter by content if applied in the assessment settings. Each column in the table can be sorted by clicking on the title. This report shows the assessment score for each student, and if there is no score, it will show the current status. This report is also exportable to an Excel document, which looks like this. Thanks for watching.